Prime Minister's claimed that the average waiting time in accident and emergency departments in England has more than halved since he took office was questioned earlier today by independent officials in the House of Commons library. They suggested that Mr Cameron's claim was based on a simplistic reading of the data. But as our health editor Hugh Pym reports, the verdict on the Prime Minister's claims was then withdrawn rather abruptly this evening.
With the general election less than a year away, the temperature in the political debate over health is rising. There's now a row over claims made by David Cameron over waiting times at hospital accident and emergency units in England. At Prime Minister's questions yesterday, Mr Cameron said waiting times now were better than under Labour.
The average waiting time was 77 minutes. Under this government, it is 30 minutes. That is what's happening under this government.
But that was challenged today by the House of Commons Library, which does research and analysis for MPs. It said Mr Cameron was only talking about the time spent between arrival at accident and emergency and being assessed. It said this was a simplistic reading of the data and did not show times in A&E had fallen. The House of Commons Library blog used what it said were more natural indicators of waiting times in England. One of the measures, covering average total time spent in A&E, has increased since 2009. Another one of them covers average times from arrival to being treated in A&E units, and that's barely changed over that period. Labour said this intervention was damaging for the Prime Minister.
I just don't think people expect the Prime Minister of the country to stand at the dispatch box and give misleading facts about the state of the National Health Service, the most important public service.
Tonight, the House of Commons Library removed the blog, saying it did not meet expected standards of impartiality and a revised post would be put up soon. Downing Street said the Prime Minister had been 100% accurate with his comments about A&E waiting times. It's likely this won't be the last scrap over stats in the run-up to the election. Hugh Pym, BBC News.